Welcome back to Recipe Maker channel. Today we have 4 lunch recipes. Let's start with the shrimp and avocado salad, which contains 340 calories. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and fry the peeled shrimps. Meanwhile, for the dressing, in the bowl mix the black pepper, salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, some paprika, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and squeeze fresh lemon. Mix up and place the shrimps in the dressing and leave it to soak. Take a large salad bowl, add 1 cucumber, red and yellow bell peppers, 5 cherry tomatoes cut in halves, half a bunch of lettuce, 1 sliced avocado, 1 stringed carrot. Pour the shrimps with the dressing on top of the veggies and stir well. Voila! Light and protein-rich salad is ready. Enjoy! Next is the quinoa with veggies that contains 270 calories. Firstly, boil 500 milliliters of water, add some salt to taste, and cook the quinoa. Meanwhile, heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add 1 chopped medium onion, season with salt and black pepper to taste. And half a bunch of spinach. Fry until onions become golden. Remove the spinach, add some extra olive oil. Place 1 stringed carrot and 1 red bell pepper. Don't forget that you can use another color. Season with salt. Serve the quinoa with the veggies and pour some lemon juice on top. Add 40 grams of cut radish. Sprinkle with sliced almond and shredded Parmesan cheese. It looks so delicious! Bon appetit! The next is the chickpea salad, which is very easy and quite quick to prepare, and contains only 250 calories. In a salad bowl, add half a bunch of lettuce. I have an advice for you. Tear the lettuce with hands so it doesn't become brown. Place 6 chopped cherry tomatoes, 1 cut cucumber, 200 grams of chickpeas, 100 grams of pitted black olives. Add quarter bunch of shredded parsley. Dress with tahini sauce and olive oil. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Squeeze some lemon for freshness. Mix up. Top with sesame seeds and serve. Enjoy your salad. Still looking for an alternative? We have a pesto quinoa salad to suggest. Place half a bunch of spinach in a salad bowl, add 200 grams of pre-cooked quinoa and 100 grams of green pea. Pour 100 grams of pesto sauce, some shredded Parmesan cheese, quarter bunch of chopped parsley, dress with olive oil and stir well. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. Drop a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.